Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see about the full stack tester role and its significance and expectations in today's market. So, to talk about this full stack tester role, there may be, scenarios like resources might be thinking, I am expertise in, manual testing. I am already, transformed to automation testing. So why can't I try the full stack tester role by learning automation like, the Tosca, the Tricentis tool, and API testing. So I just want think about in investing myself in upskilling myself in another couple of skills to shine in this industry better. So adding up the skills like automation, DevOps, cloud practitioners, cloud technology. So adding up these things, it's becoming increasingly significant as an organization, trying to ensure the seamless functionality, the performance, the security across every layer of the applications. So this is the topic of this video. So we are going to see about. Just a minute. Yeah. So we are going to see about what are those key skills which industry is really looking right now. So first is about the test automation. Automation can be like any tools like Selenium, which is an open source tool, or it can be Tosca, it's a paid tool, but the user friendliness is completely awesome. And this API testing, today many applications are developed using this API testing to endpoint via testing via the endpoint, be multiple system architecture, the data flowing from one system to another system will be understood while it has been developed by the API testing technology. And next is about the database testing, writing the queries on their own and verifying the results, whether the records, the layer, the data moving from application server to database server, whether it is hitting the database properly. The front end and back end testing, like it's more of development role. And the cloud and the DevOps knowledge, like doing some additional certifications like cloud, Azure or GCP, Google Cloud Practitioner. Security testing, testing how the software, is working when, intentionally some failures have been introduced and intentionally some malfunctioning things are introduced, how the application works in. And the last but not the least, the performance testing. So, like all these, the bunch of testing knowledge will make you a strong full stack tester role. And I was quite impressed with this role when I'm trying to search for the opportunity. How is the opportunities for full stack tester in a remote jobs in a LinkedIn? So I'm seeing a lot of opportunities are coming up, but still like the success stories, like whoever got job through the remote job, that is very uncertain. It's not that much popular, I'm not saying, but at the same time I got an authentic source, like full stack developers are really getting jobs in the remote via remote jobs. And even I have heard like they are paying good in the dollars. That's what I heard. Like whatever information I'm getting, I'm sharing it to you. And next is about like this full stack testers, are expected to have skilled in all testing aspects of an application. So they expect to do the front end testing, back end testing, databases, API, and the user interface. The guys, like the holistic approach is like ensure that application functions well across every component, improving its overall quality and the user experience. That is the first intention. And secondly is like so if the tester finds the defects, they need to coordinate with developers to identify the root cause and the debugging. All it takes time, right? So to overcome that, they are having the testers, they're identifying the testers in such a way they can identify the root cause of the issues, where they originate from UI design plus the API communication issues or the database errors, where is the error exactly. This is going to speed up the debugging process, and it is going to reducing the time, like to and fro. We are contacting with the development teams, and which is lessening the solutions. Leading to the quicker resolutions. And the next point is about end-to-end test coverage. Like the full stack testers, they are validating the complete flow of the application as the user would going to experience it. So they can test the complex workflows covering integrations, data flows, data generally. If there are multiple systems, let's say, and there are some A, B, C, D, four systems are there, and data is moving sequentially from A to B, from B to C, and C to D. So how the data get updated in each of the system. So everything the tester takes care of it, and it's more of cross-functional skill set. The full stack testers, bring a versatile skill set, that includes manual testing, automation scripting, maybe database queries, good in writing the queries, and API testing, like be it a SOAP or RESTful service, like whatever it is, they are able to pass multiple data in the request structure, the XML structure, and are able to see the response. That is one thing. And even with the SOAP UI tool or Postman tool, they can do a quick round of performance as well. Now we have that added advantage, and the UI testing. So everything the tester can do it, and there will be they don't have a feel of a bored thing. Okay, so they will be often engaged in the things, and they get opportunity to learn new things. So this is the role of the full stack tester. The role in agile and DevOps team, like the agile and DevOps, methodologies, they continuously demand testers the fast delivery cycles. So they wanted to, the fast phased workflows, automating the repetitive things, integrating with the CI/CD pipelines to continuously do the testing and deliver the results. And next is like so in the next is like the test automation, like the automated scripts for different application layers, and wherever the regression testing comes into picture, we are going to automate the test cases, and they are going to know, like overall the user experience and how the backend functionality support these elements. So that is going to be the key thing with this full stack tester. Since this cost wise also, this full stack testers, reduce the need for multiple specialized testing roles. So like yeah, one tester or two tester can do the comprehensive coverage, test coverage. So like this enhanced, they're well suited to do the security testing also. I mean across the project, like identifying the vulnerabilities, and they whatever which come from misconfigurations or the API endpoints or insecure data, where it is coming exactly. So what I'm trying to say here is, like in a nutshell, like the full stack tester is a kind of versatile cross-functional role that enhances the quality efficiency of the application across all the layers. This is going to bridge the gap between the front and back end and infrastructures, and also the full stack testers are very crucial in delivering the high quality product. So this is about, I just wanted to say, just a minute. And next is about, I just wanted to say what are these factors influencing the salary of the full stack testers. As I explored the internet, I saw that, like US based testers, they're able to get the higher salaries in the full stack tester role, like the whatever the certifications which they are prioritizing is like the AWS certified developer, ISTQB full stack tester. These are the opportunities, to upskill themselves to get into the full stack tester role, and other cloud or testing certifications are also adding the hike in to their base salaries. And next is about the technical stack wise, like the framework, any one automation framework, like a robotic framework. There are multiple frameworks in Selenium, and the performance testing, the JMeter can command higher salaries. Industry, the most significant industry is like a fintech and the cyber security industries often pay more than above average salaries for the skilled full stack testers. So I just wanted to move on to the last slide. So this reveals about the salary in the remote jobs who are getting the paid for the full stack tester role, but it might not be true also. It might be, I have taken it from the internet only, but it might not be a, sometimes it might not be realistic. So just wanted you all to explore and see like that is, this opportunity is coming in near future, but I'm not seeing any success stories or something like that, like people posting like I got the remote job and I'm working here. So that is, I'm seeing that very minimal. So just we can try that. I just can tell you like here is an opportunity, remote role, the full stack tester role. If you can enhance and see, definitely you will see the change in your shift in your career. Like just definite, you will definitely move on to the next level in your career. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please, subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and please share your valuable feedback. Thank you so much, guys.